how to download TeamViewer in PC or laptop. So if you want to download TeamViewer on your PC or your laptop, then first you need to open up your browser, and here on the search, you need to search for TeamViewer. Once you've searched, now you need to go with www.teamviewer.com, and here on the top right, you'll have free download option. Just click on free download and you'll have the free version or the money version. You can go with TeamViewer Remote Access or TeamViewer Business. So I'll just simply go with the free version, and here you will have all of these features. And you need to go with download now, and you need to choose Windows. If you're downloading it on your Windows, you can select Windows, and if you're downloading on Mac, you can go with Mac, Linux, Chrome, Raspberry, Android, or iOS. So I'll just simply go with Windows as I have Windows PC. Now you need to scroll down, and under Windows here, if you have 64-bit software or 32-bit software. In my case, it's 64, so I'll just simply go with 64. Just click on 64, and once you click on download, then here on the top right, you will have this kind of interface. Just click on it and then go with download unverified file, and it will start the downloading process. Once it's downloaded, you can just click on it, and once you click or double click on it, then it will automatically start the installing process. So just wait for a few seconds. Just click on yes, and that's it. Now click on I accept to the terms and conditions, and then go with continue. And you need to enter your session code and then connect. So that's how you can install TeamViewer, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.